Hello children, my name is Sushma and I will be teaching you English subject. Yes, today we will go ahead with lesson 1 and here you will be enjoying lot, but rather than that you will be learning lot. Yes, now you all got promoted from senior KG to first standard, right? So you know how to give your introduction. So this lesson is based on my introduction. Yes, what is the name of lesson? Lesson 1 is my introduction. So let's start with the vocabulary first. So we will go ahead with the vocabulary. Vocabularies are nothing but the difficult words will be given in the lesson. So to make it easier, to make it understand ourselves, there will be easy meanings also given. The first word is comic. Comic is nothing but funny. Yes, funny. And the second one is litter. What is litter? Litter is nothing but throwing some waste into the dustbin. That is called as litter. Yes, even you should not throw anything, any waste material in your house. Whenever you want, you have dustbins, you can litter in the dustbin. Done? So we have done with the vocabulary part. Now I will explain you this interesting lesson. Yes, let's go for the lesson now. So in this lesson, before proceeding to lesson, we have some initial task. Yes, so there are many activities we do at home. Yes, you might be playing, mama will be cooking, daddy will be working, your brothers will be studying. So many activities we do at our home. So what do you do in your leisure time? That is also a question. What is leisure? When you don't have any work, what do? You play. You either do some work. Yes. Then do you help your parents in daily house chores? Do you help your parents in daily house chores? No. You should learn now because you are a growing child. Now it is a good habit to help each other in the family. Yes, you should help your parents, brother, sister, and even you teach others to help others also. We will now read the story of a girl who is very helpful and does all her homework too. She is even helpful and even she do her homework on time, children. So let's see what is the girl. Yes. So she is giving her introduction first. I am Arvi. What is my name? Not my name, this girl's name. So she says my name is Arvi. Arvi. My father is doctor. What does Arvi's father do? He is a doctor. When you are sick, you go to doctor, he will give injections. I think you remember better doctor, yeah. And my mother is teacher. Yes, how I am teaching you today? Then Arvi's mother is also a teacher for other children. I have a little brother. Arvi is saying, even I have a little brother. He is 3 years old. What is the age of brother? He is younger than her and he is just 3 years old. Now, she is saying, I love him very much. Okay, do you all love your brothers and sisters? Yes, in the same manner, Arvi is also loving her brother. She loves her brother a lot because she plays with him. And next, Arvi is saying, I am a bit naughty too. Yeah, what is naughty? When somebody says don't do, you will definitely go and do such things. Yes, when somebody says don't eat chocolates, what you do? You go and eat chocolates. That is a naughtiness. Every child is naughty. Yes, and that naughtiness makes the child special. Yes, children, you are very special for us. Yeah, I am bit naughty. mummy in the kitchen because mummy works in the kitchen. I help my papa to water the plants. Papa will be watering the plants in the garden, so I will go and even water the plants with him. They help me in my homework. They both, mummy and papa, they help her in the homework. I love my granny and grandpa. Who are grandma and grandpa? You might have learned mummy's mummy, mummy's papa, papa's papa, papa's mama. They are called grandparents. Yes, children, they are grandma and grandpa. So, granny cooks nice food. Grandma cooks nice food for her. She tells me bedtime stories. That means fairy tale stories, some good interesting stories. When she wants to sleep, she will go to her grandma and grandma will tell her stories. Grandpa brings many things for us. What does the grandpa bring for our way is many things. Like what? He brings comics for her and he even brings some cartoon pictures for her. Okay, and even he says some interesting stories from the newspaper. I keep my books and school bag neat and tidy. Yes, you should keep your books and school bag neat and clean. Yeah, I keep my other things also neat and clean. I do not litter my house. I don't throw any waste in my house. I throw all the litter in the dustbin. Yes. Even I don't litter in my school. What are we saying? I don't even litter my school also. That means she doesn't throw any dirty things in the school. I always throw the waste into dustbin. Yes, dustbin is the right place for throwing the waste things. I always save water. Even you should save water whenever you are washing hands. You should save water, children. I always save electricity. When you are not working in the room, when you are not there, nobody is there in the room, you should ask somebody to switch off the lights. Why? To save electricity. Yes, we should save electricity and as well as water too. I take my puppy out for a walk. She has even a puppy. What is puppy? The animal which is at home and for the animal which we take care. She has a dog. Dog's child is called puppy, and that she takes the dog for walk also. I am a lover of birds and animals. Apart from the dog, apart from the animals, she loves even different kind of birds and also animals. Yes, as already she has dog, that means she loves animals too. I take care of my plants. I water them daily and I don't pluck flowers. You should not pluck flowers, children. They look very beautiful on plants. Yes. I love to see butterflies on and around the flowers. If you pluck flowers, what happens? Butterfly doesn't come. Butterfly will not come to your plants. If there are flowers, butterflies will come to your flowers. All my elders love me. I love my family very much. For all these reasons, all the elders and her family, they love her very much, and even she loves all the elders very much. So now we are done with the story, and now we will see what is the grammatical structure in this lesson. I hope you all understood the story. Now let's see the grammatical structure, children.